Welcome to our new listing at 103 Reid Street in Sharptown. This beautiful home is an open concept, and of course we're starting here in the kitchen. Very bright and open. It has new stainless steel appliances. The home has fresh paint. It's also an eat-in area. Just beyond the kitchen here is the utility room with its own pantry, and off the large living room is the hallway with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. I'm going to lead you to the highlight of the home. Beyond these custom-built barn doors is a huge office, very well appointed. Could be used as flex space, in-home gym, in-home theater, playroom, or of course as an office. The home was built in 2006. It's 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, measures out just under 1,600 square feet. Lies in the ultra popular Mardella School District, and this home's getting a lot of attention. But to see it for yourself, all you have to do is message me on my cell. Thanks for watching.